Okay, so my grease is a little, she a little burnt. I don't know what's going on.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you guys can tell by the title, we are going to be making some fried ice cream. I'm so excited. I'm ready to dive into this. I am missing one of the ingredients, but it's alright, we're going to improvise. And yeah, we just going to get into it. Stay tuned. Okay, so first things first, you are going to start with your plastic wrap. So you are just going to cut off a piece like so, and you are going to lay it out. Okay, got a little spoon. I don't have like a real ice cream scooper. Should have got it for the video, but sorry. So this is the ice cream that we're going to be using. This is what it's looking like. This is about 2 scoops. And then what you want to do is, now if you already have an ice cream scooper, you don't have to do this step because it'll already be into a ball. But since I don't and I want mine to be perfect balls, I'm going to go ahead and close the plastic wrap like so. And then I'm going to use the heat from my hands to form it into a ball. Okay. Just like that. So you keep just kind of forming it until you get the perfect shape. And then you just want to kind of close it so that it looks like that. So this is kind of what we're looking like. So once you have your ball, you want to go ahead and stick it in the freezer for a couple hours. I would say maybe 2 to 3 hours to get it like a solid ball of ice cream. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick mine in the freezer and then I'll be back. All right, so I'm back with my 2 balls and I am now going to dip them. Okay, so next what you want to do is dip your ice cream in the egg. You want to work quick because you don't want your ice cream to melt. I'm going to go ahead and dip it in my granola. So most people use breadcrumbs, but I didn't have any, so I used granola. So I'm going to take my ice cream and now dip it in the granola. Okay. So once your ice cream is nice and coated like this, then you want to go ahead and put it in the oil so you can fry it. Take our ice cream and dip it in the oil. Can you guys see this? Oh yeah. Woo! You want to roll it around so that it doesn't melt too much.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Mine is falling apart. Oh Lord. No, she's melting. She's melting. It is hot enough. Oh my God, this is a fail.
Oh man, I can't see it. Because you took
All right, so this is what she looking like. All right, so this was kind of a fail. It actually smells good though. So this is what it's looking like. Now I think because I didn't use the breadcrumbs, it didn't come out too pretty. But let's taste it and see what she tasted like. Oh my goodness. This is actually pretty good. I'm not even gonna cap. The crunchiness of the granola with the ice. This is amazing. I am so shocked.
Oh my God! Wow!
This is really good. I'm really shocked. Now, if I can get my granola to stick a little bit better, then we might be in business. But this is good, y'all. If y'all try this, let me know in the comments below, because this is good. Maybe it's the granola, because I can't imagine it tasting this good with breadcrumbs. Like, it's the granola for me, sis. So my grease is a little, she a little burnt. I don't know what's going on. Let me get up in here. Can y'all see this? Hold on, let me fix it like that. There we go, there we go. Okay. Oh, it's hard. Okay. Wow, this tastes like funnel cake with ice cream. That's literally what it tastes like. And this one came out better than my first one because my first one was a struggle. Okay, but I feel like this one was more, the shape was better and it fried better as well than my first one. So I think the important part to remember is to make sure you dip it well in the egg so that it's coated well, so that your granola can stick to it. But yes, okay. She's real good. Okay. I can't eat so much of this because I'm lactose, honey. This won't end well if I eat too much of this. Okay. Okay, y'all. So that's pretty much it. That's how you make fried ice cream. If you guys make this at home, let me know in the comments below. Take some pictures, tag me on Instagram. Let me see your designs, your creations. I would love to see it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see y'all later. Bye.